Ever felt overwhelmed by a project? Like you're drowning in tasks, deadlines, and a sea of confusion? Well, fear not, because today we're going to dive deep into Wrike, a powerful project management tool that can turn your chaos into order. We'll break down the steps to create a project from scratch so you can conquer your to-do list like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Wrike. Brief overview. Before we jump into creating a project, let's quickly understand what Wrike is. It's a cloud-based collaboration platform that helps teams plan, track, and manage work efficiently. Think of it as your digital workspace, where you can organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress in real time. Key features. Highlight some key features of Wrike, such as task management, project planning, time tracking, collaboration tools, integration with other tools, e.g., Google Calendar, Slack, customizable workflows. Step 2. Creating a new project. Navigating Wrike. Show viewers how to navigate the Wrike interface and find the Create Project button. Project information. Explain the fields that need to be filled in. Project name, description, start date, due date, assign team members. Project template, if applicable. Project templates. Discuss the benefits of using project templates and how to select one. Customizing project settings. Show how to customize project settings, such as visibility, permissions, status options, workflow. Step 3. Adding tasks. Creating tasks. Demonstrate how to add tasks to the project, including task name, description, due date, assignees, dependencies, priority, task dependencies. Explain how to set up dependencies between tasks to ensure proper sequencing. Subtasks. Show how to create subtasks within a main task to break down work into smaller, more manageable pieces. Step 4. Assigning tasks and responsibilities. Assigning tasks. Demonstrate how to assign tasks to specific team members. Setting due dates. Show how to set due dates for tasks and subtasks. Adding comments and attachments. Explain how to add comments and attachments to tasks for better communication and documentation. Step 5. Tracking progress and collaboration. Gantt charts. Show how to use Gantt charts to visualize project timelines and dependencies. Kanban boards. Explain how to use Kanban boards to track task progress and workflow. Collaboration features. Highlight collaboration features such as real-time updates, chat and messaging, add mentions, file sharing. Step 6. Reporting and analytics. Generating reports. Show how to generate various reports, such as task status reports, time tracking reports, resource allocation reports. Analyzing data. Discuss how to analyze data from reports to identify trends, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. Summarize the key points covered in the video. Encourage viewers to try Wrike for themselves and explore its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.